Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds Philips. The first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then at the back side we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. The most important is to see this LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to charge using your phone. All you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to the charging case, so at the back side. Again, we have the LED light, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, what look like this. And you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. So I'm going to connect USB-C cable to my earbuds and USB-A cable to my PC. But you can connect with another device what have USB-A port. So let's do this. Here we go. And now let's check the LED light. We have it, so it's also charging your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!